Assalamu alaikum. This is Nation series English for Prep KG, suitable for 5 to 6 years old children. Today we are going to learn from page number 44. Children, on this page we are going to introduce the fruit names and you are going to read and write those fruit names. Look at this, children. This is mango. Listen again, children. This is mango. Listen one more time, children. Mango. Now say with me, children. Mango. Say again, children. Mango. Say one more time, children. Mango. Children, now you have to write the name mango in between these four lines by yourself. Look at this, children. This is grapes. Listen again, children. Grapes. Listen one more time, children. Grapes. Now say with me, children. Grapes. Say again, children. Grapes. Children, now you have to write the name grapes in between these four lines by yourself. Look at this, children. This is peach. Listen again, children. This is peach. Listen one more time, children. This is peach. Now say with me, children. This is peach. Say again, children. This is peach. Children, now you have to write the name peach in between these four lines by yourself. Look at this, children. This is guava. Listen again, children. This is guava. Listen one more time, children. This is guava. Now say with me, children. This is guava. Say again, children. Guava. Say one more time, children. Guava. Children, now you have to write name guava in between these four lines by yourself. Look at this, children. This is dates. Listen again, children. Dates. Listen one more time, children. Dates. Now say with me, children. Dates. Say again, children. Dates. Children, now you have to write the name dates in between these four lines by yourself. Look at this, children. This is papaya. Listen again, children. This is papaya. Listen one more time, children. This is papaya. Now say with me, children. This is papaya. Say again, children. This is papaya. Children, now you have to write the name papaya in between these four lines by yourself. Let's read all the fruits name of this page, children. Mango, grapes, peach, guava, dates, papaya. Read again, children. Mango, grapes, peach, guava, dates, papaya. Children, you have to write all these fruits name in between these four lines by yourself. You have to write mango, grapes, peach, guava, dates, papaya. This was our page number 44.